I obviously am a big fan of knowing what people think about me. So I watch your videos online if you mention me, I read your tweets, whatever. If you got a podcast out there about me that mentions me, I haven't heard any of those yet. I listen to a lot of podcasts, but if you do, I'm happy to listen. And recently, it's come to light that some people think that I'm not an American citizen because I was born in England. Now, I was born in England to two American parents. People have been, they like to question my eligibility. It's only come up recently, interestingly enough, because I mentioned it in my book years ago, Looking Forward, I Hope More. But I'm just here to tell you, I'm as American as apple pie, or a hamburger, or a breakfast Danish. I'm perfectly American, and to prove it, okay, this is, I guess you got to go to these links nowadays on the internet. If I wasn't an American citizen, how would I have one of these? Okay? Now, it's not a real Social Security card. It's a photocopy of my Social Security card. It's it's a little flimsy there. But again, right there, if I did not have one of these, explain to me how I am an American citizen. So that's really it. I mean, proof positive. So if you have any more questions about my citizenship, happy to answer them. But I think I just did. Thanks so much. I'm Jason Klamm, and I'm looking forward to being your American president.